Freshly arrived in our workshop for adjustments and testing, here is our brand new machine dedicated to industrial production. Let's have a tour. It's called the C1000 FLEXMATIC. This new 3D printer goes just between the C100 EasyFab and the C3600 Ultimate, thanks to its build platform size, which is 320 by 320 millimeters and a Z-ax of 200 millimeters. We know from experience that this size of tray would fit the standard needs. And this is true both in terms of dimensions of the printed parts and in terms of quantity, because the C1000 FLEXMATIC is designed to operate in a semi-automatic line. Time for an industrial solution has come. We are at this stage today where the industrial needs are reaching a level of maturity that encourages us to support the needs with a semi-automatic line. The tank is placed on a trolley which allows it to be positioned in the machine to prepare for printing, and then to be removed at the end of the printing run. The 3D printer is fed with the ceramic formulation by a pressurized pot, which capacity will allow you to print 1 or 2 runs in a row, depending on the height of the parts. Once the first print has been completed, you can start the second by unloading the tank with the printed parts. Those will then be removed on the cleaning phase, which is also about to be automated. For the industrial needs that require even tighter production times, then it is possible to equip the C1000 FLEXMATIC with a second laser to increase the production capacity and reduce printing time. Let's take an example with a foundry cores. The C1000 FLEXMATICs can print 162 cores on a single run. With a machine equipped with one laser, the printed time for one core will be 1 hour and 40 minutes compared to 54 minutes with 2 lasers. 3D printing ceramics is definitely entering the industrial field.